Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today we'll be reviewing a food packet survival general purpose. And this packet was provided by Nathan's MRE. So we want to give a big shout out to Nathan's channel. Please subscribe, ring the bell, watch his videos, leave some comments. So this has a production date of 1094. So it'll be the 94th day of 2011. Has kind of a waxy coating. So my understanding, these are issued to the Air Force and also placed in the life raft. So having the waxy coating on there, it probably doesn't make it waterproof, but if you have any spray coming over the life raft, probably protect it from that. And it also says the food in this packet is especially designed for survival use. All of the bars can be eaten as is. If desired, the cornflakes, cereal, and granola bars can be rehydrated with a small amount of water. The food can be eaten even when water supply is limited. The soup base may be made into a broth by adding hot water. All the food package components should be eaten. Swapping or discarding components could result in adverse health effects. Eating the food bars slowly will give you much more satisfaction. Then it has a caution: if you're exposed to salt water spray or swallowed salt water, do not use the soup and gravy base. And this is made out of Oklahoma City, and that's everything that's written on there. So let's open it up and see what we have. Let's see if we can get it open this way. So finally we got it opened up here. Let's see what we have in here. First thing we have is the herb ox chicken bouillon. Next thing we have is Wintergreen Tablets. I guess these are kind of like a lifesaver. Then we have a cornflake cereal bar, and it was produced on the 33rd day of 2011. Here we have a shortbread bar, another shortbread bar. We have a chocolate chip dessert bar. That sounds pretty good. We have a granola bar, and it says it may be crumbled and rehydrated with a small amount of water. And then we have the iced tea drink mix, lemon flavored. And that's it. So let me get a tray and I'll be right back. Okay, back. We got some hot water. So let's make up the chicken bouillon cube. I know you guys don't like when I do this, but I don't want to make a mess, and you guys know I always make a mess. Let's hope this is still powdery, and it's kind of caked up. So let me open it up so we can take a close look. It doesn't appear there's any mold or anything, but as you can see, it's just one big clump. And we'll give it a stir with the ForeignMRE.com spork. And of course, we're using the ForeignMRE.com mug. Give that a mix. All right, looked like it dissolved pretty good. Next thing we're gonna do is the iced tea drink. Mixed with 6 ounces of water. I may have overdone it a little bit with the water. Maybe not. 12-ounce glass. We're close. And it looks like it dissolved pretty good. So the first thing we're going to open is the granola bar. So the granola bar, wow, it smells good. It smells really good. And the dessert chocolate chip, I really want to try this. And it's kind of soft. Let me get it over the tray. Yeah. Hopefully it's supposed to be soft like that. I watched some other reviewers and it didn't appear to be soft like that. So we'll see. Then the next thing we'll do, it'll be the shortbread. So shortbread came out intact. Wow, that smells really, really good. And then we have the cornflake. Okay, and the cereal bar. Smells good. Then we've got the Wintergreen Tablets. I'm sure they're like a lifesaver. They're wrapped individually. That's really cool. Off with our chicken bouillon cube. Tastes really, really good. Of course, it's salty, but it's still good. Let's try the iced tea mix. That tastes good. Very good. It's got a real strong flavor to it, and I'm really surprised because I thought I maybe put too much water in. So let's try the granola bar. Break it in half. And you can smell the granola. I mean, it's just awesome smelling. So let's give it a try. This tastes really good. It does have a little bit of an aftertaste after you chew it up and you swallow it. But it says that you can dissolve this in a little bit of water. So I have a little bit of water here. We'll let that soak. It's warm water, so we'll give it a few minutes. And then we have the chocolate chip bar, which is kind of soft. It tastes absolutely perfect. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see how our granola bar is doing. Then we have the shortbread bar. And the chocolate chip, just like the granola bar, it leaves an aftertaste in your mouth. But the shortbread smells absolutely terrific. Shortbread, man, this tastes like a shortbread cookie. Very good. And again, it leaves a little aftertaste in your mouth. But wow, this is just perfect. And then we come down to the cornflake bar. And like I said, it smells like cornflake. I don't know how to describe that. This is really, really good. It's not, there's a little bit of sweetness to it. It kind of has a taste of cornflakes. And then the wintergreen tablet looks just like a lifesaver. This is actually really good. I chewed it up. I'm sure you're not supposed to, but to save time. So let's see how the granola bar, said you could add a little water to it, but it's still hard as a rock. It hasn't softened up. I thought maybe putting it in, the water would have made it into kind of like a porridge, and maybe it would, but of course we don't have time for that. But let's see how it tastes. It's still hard as a rock. So we still have one of the shortbreads. Not going to open it up. So on the chicken bouillon, I give it a 10. The iced tea, very good. I give it a 10. The granola bar, it's not too sweet. The chocolate chip, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be soft like this, but it's very good. I'm probably gonna finish that off. Then we have the shortbread. Man, just like a shortbread cookie that you would buy at the grocery store. And then the cornflake bar. Man, you know, everything is a 10. This is excellent. It's not too sweet. It's got a good cornflake flavor to it. Not like cornflakes in a box, you know. But again, it's not too sweet, and it's just, don't know how to explain it. The Wintergreen Tablets, Lifesavers, a 10. So how can you go wrong with a Wintergreen Lifesaver? So that's everything for the food packet survival general purpose. Many thanks to Nathan's MRE for sending this, and I'm probably going to finish off, definitely going to finish off the iced tea, probably the cornflake bar. Probably going to polish it all off. Not real sure about the chocolate chip, but maybe. And then I'm also going to wait a little while, see how this granola does. So anyway, that's it, guys. And as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can't get this ration, but you can get your fresh discounted foreign ration at ForeignMRE.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.